This is going to be a video tutorial on how to locate jobs that you have applied for on Monster. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To locate jobs that you have applied for on Monster, they've changed their layout. I haven't been on Monster for a while, but it's been changed from what it used to be. I like the way it used to be. But to locate your applied jobs now, you want to go up to the top up here, up to these little icons, and the one that looks like a heart, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Job Tracker. Click on the heart icon. And the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down a little ways. You've got your saved jobs in here. There's a Show More button that you can see more jobs that you have saved. Jobs that are in progress, that's supposed to be jobs that you have applied for, that you're being considered for. There's a Show More button at the bottom. If you go down further, here's applied jobs. You could click on the Show More button. It'll bring more up. But if you scroll up towards the top up here, there's a little drop down button here. It's set on Show All, but you could click it. You could go down to where it says Applied, click on Applied, and it'll just show you your applied jobs. That is how to locate jobs that you have applied for on Monster. Thanks for watching.